Hi folks, this is Lee with the Market Sense for the week of June 11th, 2019. As always, we thank Gettess for the charts that are provided to this presentation from their Trade Navigator software. In looking at a weekly bond market chart here, they've really spent the last couple of weeks desperately trying to force the Fed into lowering interest rates. Bonds and interest rates move in opposite directions. Don't know if they'll be successful, but they certainly have shown a fair amount of strength here. They're backing off a little this week. The next upside target was up above 155 here. Let's call it 155, 11 or 12. I don't know if they're going to have quite enough power to reach that this week. The best support is around 152.10 here, which they haven't been down to yet, but the volatility is a little high. They might not. Also, the lower moving average here is around 150.20, and this previous swing high they broke out from is 150.02, I believe. So anywhere in that area would certainly ought to be fairly decent support. If they should break down that far this week, you might be good for at least a bounce anyway. But if they're really strong, they probably won't even get that far. Now, stocks, a little different, of course. They followed this exhaustion bar down a week ago with a tremendous recovery last week. All exhaustion bars don't work this well, but it's nice to see when they do. This looks like it can continue, and if it does, they should probably hold the 2868 level here, this upper moving average. That's probably what should hold as support if they're going to continue up. And the next upside target is around 2933. It wouldn't be horrible to see them down 28, 15, 16 area at the middle moving average. This didn't close well above the upper moving average last week, so a little more weakness wouldn't be a big surprise. Big problem is trying to understand what the big picture means here. If we look at this retracement, that looks pretty minor compared to the big rally they've had all year up to that point. But if you look at an even bigger picture, this looks like a nice double top for the last couple of years, and that's not positive at all. So interesting to see how this resolves itself. And, the first thing to look for is the support and resistance this week to see how they hold. So if they were to hold up here at 2868, that would probably be a pretty doggone good sign. So that's what we've got for you today. I hope you can find something profitable to get yourself